Good evening, students. I am Sundar. Today I am going to discuss with you subject called social studies. Okay, social studies subject. I am going to right now discuss with you all. Okay, as per your syllabus, as per your content, you have 7 units in your syllabus content. Okay, 7 units you have. Under 7 units, the first unit is under 7 units. The first unit is geographical facts. First unit, what is the first unit name? Geographical facts. In this geographical facts, you have three more topics. You have three more topics. And that first topic is continents and oceans. You have three topics in geographical facts. You have three topics. And that geographical topic, you have first topic is continents and oceans. Second topic is longitudes and latitudes. And third topic is movement of the earth. Okay, these are the three topics you have in your first unit. Okay, as per now, at present, I am going to discuss with you the topic called continents and oceans. I think uh, I think you may all know what is meant by continents and what is meant by oceans. I am going to discuss with you right now. Okay, see continents. Okay, uh, not at present, we have 7 continents. We have, okay, Earth. How many continents we have? 7 continents we have, and 5 oceans we have. 5 oceans. What is the first continent? Is first continent is Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. What is the first one? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Okay, and we have 5 oceans also. How many oceans we have? 5 oceans. What are those? We will see. What is the first one? Pacific Ocean. First ocean is Pacific Ocean. Second one is Atlantic Ocean. Atlantic Ocean. Third one is Indian Ocean, and fourth one is Antarctic Ocean. Fourth one is Antarctic Ocean. Fifth one is Arctic Ocean. Okay. As per your syllabus, continents and oceans, we have 7 continents and we have 5 oceans. These are the names of those particulars. Okay. See, before going to these topics, okay, I am going to give you some brief introduction about directions. Why? Because when we are, as per our social studies subject, when we are going to discuss anything, we want to represent anything, we can represent by using maps. Okay, by using maps only we are representing, right? How can we represent? Means we have some directions also. Okay, we have some directions. I will show you here. See here. See, these are the directions. This is north direction. This is south direction. This is east, and this is west. Okay. See, and this is northeast. This is northeast. This is northeast. In between north direction and east direction, we have northeast. Okay. And in between south and east, we have southeast. Okay. And in between south and west, we have southwest. Okay. In between north and west, we have northwest. Okay. These are the 8 directions we have. Mainly we have 4 directions: north, east, south, west. And these are the northeast, southeast, southwest, and northwest. Okay. See, these are the 4 directions we have. Why I am going to giving you this means, suppose if you want to represent anything, suppose your home is there, your house is there. In north direction, what is there? In south direction, what is there? In east direction, what is there? Likewise, suppose if you take, this is our earth. See, this is our earth. Okay, and this is our earth. See, this is the middle line. Okay, these lines, these horizontal lines, we can call it as latitudes. Horizontal lines we can call it as latitudes. These vertical lines we can call longitudes. Horizontal lines are latitudes and vertical lines are longitudes. In Telugu, అక్షాంశాలు రేఖాంశాలు. Horizontal lines are అక్షాంశాలు, vertical lines are రేఖాంశాలు. See, in this middle line, this middle horizontal latitude, we can call it as equator. What we call equator? In Telugu, Bhumadhya Rekha. Okay, in Telugu, Bhumadhya Rekha. See, we have 7 continents here. How many continents are there? Seven continents are there. This is northern hemisphere. This part is northern hemisphere. This part is southern hemisphere. Okay, this in between equator, above equator we have northern hemisphere and below equator we have southern hemisphere. I am cutting our earth into 2 halves by vertically. Okay, this is a longitude, rekhamsham. See, in this west part of this longest latitude is western hemisphere. This is eastern hemisphere. Okay, see, 4 parts are there: northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, and western hemisphere and eastern hemisphere. See, why I am giving you this? Suppose we have these continents, right? This North America and South America. Okay, North America is there in this position. Means northern hemisphere lo, it is there in northern hemisphere. And our Asia, our India is there in which continent, ma? Asia continent. Okay, Asia continent, our India is there. Okay, our India is lies between near to the equator in upper hemisphere only, and Australia continent is there in southern hemisphere. Okay, like that. Suppose if you want to represent anything, like our Telangana map, like our India map, like any other maps, if you are representing, suppose here I am representing Telangana map is there. This is our Telangana map. North part what is there and eastern part what is there. This is nothing but directions. In which direction which state is there, in which direction which canal is there, which direction which river is there. Okay, likewise we are representing places and particular things by using these directions now. Okay, this is the thing. And coming to in this, all these are there in where, ma? Earth only. Okay, earth only. Earth is in which shape, ma? Spherical shape. Earth is in spherical shape.